Wherein our body's typical energy patterns are being altered by way of changes inside the spiritual world that we inhabit. Those changes are inflecting the frame to release things that have previously been held in check or certain, which include emotional energies from past stories or traumas. They are also causing the body to release energy in a physical way, sometimes manifesting as pain, infection, fever, or other reaction that is a form of expression of the power being launched. People who find themselves suddenly beset with tension, who've never been especially frightened. Or folks who discover themselves managing bouts of grief, unhappiness, or depression, who've in no way before needed to deal with such things. May also take comfort in understanding that a restoration process is underway so that it will cause more freedom from all inner situations which have been stifling or restricting. Mastering is a part of the splendor of life. Thinking wonderful mind is a sure way to elevate your vibration. But do not surrender if you cannot seem to alternate your thoughts or enhance your vibration proper way. It calls for stay in power and practice. Take out a book and write your thoughts. Write down the mind that reflect the stories which you would like to have and consider how right these things would experience as tough they are going on proper now. The physical act of writing down thoughts instead of typing them require a lot of it to have interaction, and the more institutions you have in the mind that reflect your wonderful thoughts and intentions, the less complicated and more natural it becomes to raise your vibration with less effort with the destiny. Practice the art of gratitude. Make a lesson of all which you are thankful for your existence. There is continually something. Things may wanna usually be worse. Be thankful for what you've got, because someplace there may be someone wishing they'd what you have. Be grateful for even the little things that regularly we forget about to observe or take as a right. Writing this stuff down is likewise beneficial, because these changes occur while you shift your awareness to one in area of gratitude. Even the easy act of breathing or the reality which you are able to study this right now something to be grateful for. It's for all a query of belief, for out of the various reasons that can preserve concerning signs and symptoms that haven't any apparent logical explanation. One could continually unearth something external that looks more stable and real, which can, as a consequence, take its vicinity as an obvious reason. Others are aware of sudden emotional surges that also seem out of thin air, are severe, repetitive, but difficult to connect to specific events or circumstances. Regularly, within the presence of such conditions, we look for logical factors, yet discover its explanation insufficient or lacking. And so, we treat the symptom topically, instead, with something reduces our discomfort, without truly knowing the motive.